Hi, today we'll be diving into Market View's charting feature. For today's example, I'll be using WTI's front month contract. To pull in the chart into Market View, click Chart in the ribbon. I'll expand it to the screen, and then to pull in a symbol, you'll simply click Edit in the top left-hand corner. This is what we call our symbol tree. Your symbol tree will be in alphabetical order by vendor or exchange. To pull in WTI's front month contract, I could scroll down to NYMEX and drill through the folders, but for the sake of time, I'll use our Recent tab. Our Recent tab stores your most recently used symbols. After we see our NYMEX contract is here, I'll select OK. And now we can see the charting history. A couple features about this. Here in the top, where it says All, displays the date range that you're viewing. So All means that you'll be viewing all historical prices from inception. If you want to change that, click All, and you have the opportunity to choose a date range where you can select a start date and an end date, or you can choose a records back, which will default to 30 days, but will basically just show you the last 30 prices. To change that, click this number. Let's change it to 100. There you go. Now, if you're ever in this situation to where your chart isn't fitting to the window, click this icon and it'll fit all your data to the window. If I wanted to go back to All, I'll click Records Back and select All. Keep in mind that I can drag the x-axis to see as far as I want. Also here is where it says daily. This is if I'm wanting to change the time frame of when I'm looking. If I wanted to see intraday pricing, or if I wanted to see weekly, monthly, quarterly, or even yearly averages. We also have the opportunity to view seasonality. And to do that, I'll click Seasonal Daily. And what this will do is show us the year-over-year price from January 1 to December 31st. To add more years to this, I'll simply right-click and go to Years for Seasonal. To add the years, I'll just check the box. It'll automatically bring in a new color, and there I can view. To go back to our default template, I'll just click the drop down and go back to daily. One of the great things that we also can do inside of the charting feature is change the formatting of charts. If I right click, I have the opportunity to change between candlesticks, histograms, bar charts, or even area charts. For an example, I'll click there. And there's the type of chart. To change, I can right click and select the other ones. Here goes an area chart. Another feature that we can do is that we can add studies. One of our great features. If you right click again inside of the pane and we scroll down to add studies, we have over 50 different studies and analytics that you can add to these charts. These will be in alphabetical order. And just to name a few, we have Bollinger Bands, high-low moving average, and stochastics. To add in a moving average, just simply click it, and it'll default to a 20-day moving average. To edit the moving average or any study that you apply, simply right-click on the study that you added, and here's the opportunity to change. Now, we also have another great feature in here to where you can chart other fields. If I right-click inside of the pane again, I can go to the category that says Available Fields. And where it defaults to the close, I can also choose to chart the high, the low, the midpoint, open interest, volume, and even weight. These are just some of the functions inside of our Market View charting feature. Thanks. Have a great day.